In this video, I'm gonna walk you through on how to link your bank account to PayPal in case you need to. In order for you to link your bank details, you will head over to the Add Card or Bank. This house logo with a plus symbol, you'll need to click on it. Once clicked on it, so PayPal will give you two options. The link credit card. So for this video, we are just gonna link the bank account to the PayPal. So we shall go for the link bank account. Here it says withdraw funds you receive to your bank account. So we have to link our bank details so that we can transfer funds from PayPal to our bank account. So you will go for the link bank account, you double tap on it, you will see a display of link bank account. So here you will enter your bank details, the international bank account number, the currency in which you want to receive payments in, your phone number, your billing address, plus the name that is indicated to your bank account. So guys, let me fill in this information. I come back within a minute. Once filled in the information, a pop-up message will say your account is linked depending on the location you are in. So for me, it is Abu Dhabi Bank, PJSC checking is linked. So once you link your bank account, so after that, done. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.